Hi, welcome back. Our room here. Today we continue our story of Linnea up toward homecoming wing. Alecon chapter Act 1 in Genshin Impact version Luna 6, Augur Homecoming. This was long. So yeah, let's do a bit of a recap before we begin. As usual, last time we watched Linnea fight. During the fight, there's some NPC that I never seen before, I think. A character, I guess. I don't know if she an NPC yet. Maybe she is. She look like NPC, but she also different for Genshin Impact NPC standard. Anyway, so during the fight, Linnea has this feeling that she has premonition ability. It's not premonition. She able to tell the opponent before the opponent do something. That's a hint for something. Maybe we will see about. Maybe that her power. We know later on after this scene we went to Speranza to eat, and in there we learn more about Linnea origin of that she assume, she think that she a changeling in a sense that a fae switch a human baby with their own, and Linnea is one of them. They call themselves. I mean, she called herself changeling because to change to switch. And also we found out about the original, I mean the adopted parent of Linnea, the human parent of Linnea, currently searching for their real child. Hopefully it's a switch. Because so in the real life there is this animal called cuckoo, a bird called cuckoo or something. So this bird usually put not usually always put their child, her child, its child, or egg, I guess not a child, it egg on the other bird nest. And you know what happened? The bird, when the cuckoo bird born, the bird instinctively will throw or remove the other bird baby, not baby, chick, I guess, out of the nest, which is really interesting. How did the bird know when? At least that I guess that's part of their instinct. Anyway, my point is, hopefully the other baby is okay. We don't know. I don't know if we'll ever gonna learn that. Maybe if they will continue her story in chapter Act 2 or something in the future. Anyway, during this conversation, we also saw the lady, the dark blue lady in the background. I mean, this is really probably related to whoever Linnea is, the Fate family stuff. Maybe we will see in the future. But yeah, we learn about. We also learn about her, what happened up to her after the parent searching for. So apparently, the parent searching for the baby. It's been a while. It's been like how many years? I don't know. Basically, before she moved, before she was entrusted. I don't know if entrusted or not to the Speranza, which we know the Speranza always not always is a group where uh, an orphan or something, basically a lot of kids that don't have family or stuff, I guess. I don't know the exact detail for Speranza yet. Maybe the old quest about Speranza, but I haven't done that if there's any. We do have a lot of old quests regarding Conch Gang, which is a group within Speranza, the kid themselves. But I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, basically I'm saying is it's been a while since her parent, her adopt human parent, gone. I don't know if they're still alive or not. Anyway, after that we went to sleep, and the flagship as usual. It's our accommodation every time we end in Northland, I guess. Well, which is interesting. We have an actual accommodation. I just realized that when we are the other nation, I don't know where we sleep. So when we went to flagship, we meet Ito again. So apparently Ito, we know that Ito don't have any money left. That's why I guess he worked here to gain some mora, and that's it. And when we enter our room, I saw something that I should check at the end of Luna 4, I think. Santorini notebook. I don't know. I will read that in the actual main story progression when we have main story in the future or something. We'll see. Anyway, so I leave the note for now there because I believe after we read the note will be disappear and maybe it will be part of the mission quest or something. I don't know. Moving on in the morning. Next morning we continue our tournament or our event. Our next opponent is, guess who? I didn't guess. I thought we're gonna face the character we saw on day one, but no, we actually facing the Beast Tamer, Hania. Yes, for those who doesn't know, Hania appear multiple times on the event in the past, and currently she with Shoka, the other one from the same event, are permanently stay on by the harbor. So this is interesting because I believe the dialogue with Hania here will be depend on if we do the other event with her, which means if I start Genshin today, meaning that we will never see Hania on any event, including the one in Luna 5, which means she a complete stranger for the character, for the player who start from Luna 6. I wonder what the dialogue gonna be like. If there's any, I don't know. We will see. I mean, I cannot see that. I don't know. But yeah, we fight with her. We win, and immediately we're gonna go to the second elimination. Basically, we're going to elimination round. So that's where we left off. And I think elimination round will be facing again. It's top 16, right? So in final we're gonna face Linnea, I assume. In semi-final we will face Moalani, hopefully. I think we're gonna face Moalani. And then in quarterfinal we're gonna face Yahoda, which means in the first elimination round, which is we're gonna face random again, or maybe we're gonna face Yahoda this time. We will see. So yeah, let's continue. As usual though, before we begin, I will do one anecdote if it's available. I don't know if we have. I think we have Chlorine Day last time. I don't know if she's still there because every single day they usually reset the anecdote. I think I don't remember. Let's change the controller first. So yeah, let's just check them up. Oh, you see, it's not here. So who's gonna be this time? Oh, we have Iluga here. Let's just do Iluga. There actually another Iluga I saw in the wild. Is he there? I mean, is there part of the anecdote, a hidden anecdote? We will see later on. But for now, we have an actual Iluga image. Not image. Let's see. What is that? We suddenly have tutorial for something I didn't. Where? I don't know. Oh, with Flynn. Hello, guys. It's been a while. Technically, we haven't seen Iluga in the actual. Well, I just know something. During our world quest, we technically Iluga also part of that. The one where, just like this one, for example. Yeah, this. this world quest. So this has, if you check reward overview, we have a quest, a long day in the mountain. For the last one, for the Luna 4 and Luna 5 exploration area, we have world quest, right? Nightingale something, and it's one of the character we fly with. We seen, I guess, the only character, the playable character we seen. Well, we see Flynn as well, actually. But by the way, we meet Iluga here, and that is our first time meeting Iluga, technically. Which means, I remember in one of the anecdotes, we saw Iluga as part of the party, and technically that anecdote supposed to happen after we finish the world quest with Iluga in this area. So yeah. Anyway, let's talk with Iluga and Flynn.
万事休すですね、フリンズさん。もう完全に撃てる手がなくなりましたよ。
Every time I see Traveler in default outfit, I wish they would change her depending on what we use on our Traveler.
愛乃ちゃんを本部の会議に呼ぶなんて、一体誰が提案したんです？
What?
まさか、愛乃ちゃん自ら申請したわけではないですよね。
Is it a continuation of what happened? I don't think so. Last time it was something. Actually, I don't remember. We seen, yeah, like I said, we meet Iluga in one of the anecdote of Aino, and Flynn also there technically. So I don't know if this is a continuation or not.
僕です。
Oh, you always doing something weird, Flynn.
フリンズさんが？お願いです。これも手口の一つだと言ってください。
はい、その通りです。葉っぱが一枚風に舞えば人の目に留まりますが、多くの葉っぱが
That
一
easier
斉
to
に
see
舞えば
discuss.
目で捉えられなくなります。
I see, you don't wanna.
いつも通り素晴らしく頭の回転が早いですね。ですが、このような知識の声援に参加できないことは、僕としても誠に遺憾なんです。
As always.
そうは言っても、ここにいる僕たち葉っぱは、全員が今すぐ飛んでいってしまいたいと思っていますけど、皆さんの言い訳も、すでに想像がつきます。腹痛、頭痛、任務、緊急要請。
Yeah, how are you familiar? I don't think he the one who skipped. He the one who find other doing the excuse.
いえ、こうした言い訳は、すべて他の方々が使い果
Okay,
たしてしまったの
okay.
で、
You want to, but you can't.
僕
Okay,
が使え
sure.
るものはもう残っていません。一番ひどい日なんて、腹痛が20人、足の怪我が15人、
20,
発熱が6
15,
人、緊急任
6.
務が8人もいたんですよ。
What was
知
wrong
らな
with
い人
this?
から見たら、
They
ラ
don't
イトキー
care
パーの
about
本部がワイ
meeting,
ルド
huh?
ハントに襲われたと勘違いするところです。
ただ、ここがワイルドハントに奇襲されたとなれば、むしろライトキーパーたち
Yeah.
がこぞって集ま
When
っ
it
て
comes
きそう
to
ですけど
Wild
ね。
Hunt, they will be happy to
なかなかの
come.
ユーモアですね。
But
僕
meeting,
はワイルドハントと会議なんてしたくありませんが。
僕もそんなことは望んでいません。ですが、奴らは私たちと正反対で、
I mean,
招か
sure.
れてもいないのに現れますからね。
結局、会議室には僕一人だけが残ることになるんです。
Only one?
会議が終わった後も、欠席した人たち全員に議事録を届けて回らないといけませんから。
その勤勉な
Yes,
姿
yes,
勢、
Obachama.
感謝申し上げます。
では、次回から自分で来ていただけます
Oh, I
か？
thought it was just
前に
Flynn,
も
but I
申
guess
し上げ
the
た通
other
り、
Martiki as well.
理不尽はいつも招かれざる客のようにやってきます。
はあ、僕という葉っぱはいつになったら飛んでいけるんでしょう。
飛んでいく必要はありません。一番近くの葉っぱより一歩遠くへ行けばいいだけです。
ありがとうございます。ですが、君にとって一番近くの葉っぱって僕のことですよね。
ご安心ください、坊ちゃま。僕たちはいずれ共に舞い落ちるのですから。それに、 秋の葉が舞い落ちる場所に間違いなどないと僕は信じています。
Sure.
そうですね。考えてみれば、別に僕は腹痛でもないし、足も怪我していない。熱もなければ、緊急の任務もない。
実に幸運なことですね。
Okay. So anyway, let's continue our main story. Yes, download for the second elimination round. Twice upon a gaze. This quest name twice. Once upon a time, twice upon I don't know. Is it because of the linear ability or the gaze by the lady gaze twice? I don't know. Anyway, let's continue and teleport to the quest venue. Who we gonna face this time? Yahoda or some random force before Yahoda, because we are in the no, I don't know if we are in top 16 now or the one with Hania is top 16, which is interesting. If this top 16, why we have elimination round with drawing lot? Atau we have some list, you know, the whole who we gonna fight like immediate. I don't know. Maybe this is all the winner from the other round. It's basically every single new round they will always. It's interesting, right? If so, usually in a tournament you always put a random draw for only the first time, and after that we have which who will win again, who we're gonna face them depending on the order that already been established from the beginning. But I think if we do a draw lot every single time, like quarter final, a semi-final, well, except for the final, obviously, it's make the fight more interesting because it's not you will never know who you're gonna face until that's very if is the case, then it's very interesting. I don't know why we never. Is there a reason why? I think the reason because it's too complicated and we cannot strategize because if we have the map, the schedule of who you're gonna face depending on who win, we can think of, you know, in the real life, I guess each of the team, like football or any tournament, we have strategy against the other, so we can just check beforehand if you know who our opponent possibility is depending on the round, right? Anyway, what am I saying? Let's see, maybe Yahoda is what I was wrong. I thought Molani will be in semi-final because I assume Mamala looks strong. Wait, don't tell me Yahoda will be the one in semi-final. Yahoda, the previous champion? I mean, obviously, yeah, again. I mean, you know, the whole joke with Yahoda. Anyway,
次の相手は
Molani.
モーロニかヒギあのでかいコホラ竜と戦うのか
Saurian against Saurian. This is the first time we see
頼んだぞ
water. Technically, wait a minute. Ground type again water. What Pokemon? Yeah, Shinji Tekurasai. Yeah, you are once big, you know
そうい
that?
えばくじ引きの時他の参加者たちが自分の仲間に称号を
Oh,
つけてたぞ
really? Oh yeah, actually it's
ア
true.
グワラにつけてやらないか
Except for Moalani, it's the name Mamala instead of any cool. Let's see. Echoing Flash. Are you really fast? We saw you evade the Super Beast last time. Bandana Bandit because of the bandana. why Bandit though? Brain and Brown. What is it supposed to mean? The roving rolling sorry. The one that looked like a title of Echoing Flash. Let's just do Echoing Flash. Speed. I'm speed.
気に入ったみたいだなさてと 次の試合に向かおうぜ。
So I guess this round Linnaea doesn't really fight. I don't see any other contestant on the other side, so yeah, only us. And I don't know what happened with the other contestant, the other side, because I don't know. I feel like, I mean, I guess they do fight. We just didn't see them. That's all. Yeah, still the same. Because we have 2 arena, but the other one seem. Oh no, we begin. What am I saying? Star competition.
準備はいいですか？これより準々
I
決
think
勝が始まります。
with Molani, we will be.
激しい
Yes,
戦
the
いを
water
勝ち抜
one.
いてきた選手たちはいずれも実力者揃いです。果たして誰が準決勝に進出するの
What
か。
creme de la creme?
ぜひその目でお確かめください。
Best of the
本
best.
試合の出場者は旅人と相棒アグアラ、そしてムアラニ選手と相棒ママラです。今日の調子はどう？ママラ。
I mean, the whole tournament is just a side quest. Side thing. Oh, the important one will be Linnea, so I don't really
よし。
care
じゃ
if
あ行こう。灘くらいの
we
みんなに
didn't
も
see the other
私たち優
contestant
先の
fight
州
or
の情
something.
熱を感じてもらおう。
Sure, Molani. Let's show them the children of the echo. Wally and her partner. Wally used clever trick in combat, causing Mamala to perform a feint. Well, I just see what travelers say to continue the thing. What you observe may be mixed with her misdirection. However, just because, okay. I don't know. I just focus on what the traveler said to me. I mean to Aguara. Yes. So I do this. Oh, I see. The opposite of. Okay. Wow. Yeah. So basically the opposite of what traveler said. Easy. You have a lot of HP. Which mean, never mind. What the? Okay, I need to make to see where. This is hard. I don't trust. I don't know. Currently I'm trusting what. This is the opposite. So no. Ow. Yeah, is this the first time I lost? I wonder if we restart or. Yeah, man. Let's see. This is the first time I lost. Oh yeah, we retry. We actually retry. Okay, we should. Yes. Oh, the only one outcome. That's all I said. Oh, battle hardened Aiki. One Aiki. Okay. You have title. How do you? I still don't know. I still can't figure out when we need to do the opposite of what we. So this is. I think we should do. Yeah. Depending on Molani. Which mean I'll do this. Okay, never mind. Okay, so when Molani say that, see, I don't know, say that look like that. This is the opposite, I think. So let's do this. Never mind, that's not the opposite. How do you know which one what? I feel like this is the opposite. Never mind. I will just follow what the traveler said. I don't do the opposite. So I do this. Never mind. Okay, the whole vein thing is okay. So while I'm doing the thing, it will be a vein. This is not a vein. No, this is a vein. No, this is the real. So I need to do this. I lost again. I don't know what to do. Okay. Wally, you are unpredictable. At least for me. Oh, this is quarterfinal. So yeah, this is top 8. I just realized. Okay, so the one with Hania is top 16. Charge attack. This is confident, which means you're gonna do a feint. If I do this, you're gonna do this, which means let's do this. Okay, never mind. Oops. You're confident. You're gonna do this. You think I will do this, but then you're gonna do this too. So let's do this. Now what I keep. You actually do green. Okay, so when did this one is this. I should do this. But then again, you're gonna do this, so let's do this. No. Okay, so that is a van. If Umani holding her head as a van, like this, which means you're gonna do this. Then I will do this. Another van. So you're gonna do this. I do this, but I do this. I see your move now, Molani. Very long heart. Another vein. Let's doing the same thing. This one is not a vein, so let's do the actual thing. Same thing. I know what you did there. Don't tell me when we face. Okay, when we face Yahoda, will have a lot of fame.
粘り強すぎ。もうちょっと楽勝かと思ったのにな。さすが君の竜の仲間だね。次は接近戦で勝負をつけるよ。
Let's see how
水面
they.
から飛び出して。マムラ。
Okay. Cover an air patch. There may be an opening. So I need to focus on the right one. I mean, from my perspective. Dodge right. From Agura perspective.
気をつけて。
Yes, dodge right. From the. I'm speed. Bulletproof. The Matrix.
ママラの資格をついてくるなんてやるじゃん。
Oh, you're not. Okay. This is not feint, so let's do defensive. One more. Oh, we have. Yeah. Oh, this is feint. You this. I assume you're gonna do this, so I do this. Once you know which one is a feint, which one is not, it's not that hard. Victory! So we topped quarter final, which means semi-final we're gonna fight Yahoda.
勝者は旅人とアグアラ。
Augura. I keep calling it
嘘。
Augura
私が負けちゃった。
because the name Augur
アグ
Homecoming.
ワラ。こんな小さいのにすっごいじゃん。
Yes, he faced the volcano before. He been carved in stone,
君もすごかったよ。
in fire. I
だ
mean.
から判断ミスをしちゃったのは私だもん。ごめんね。頑張ってね、アグワラ。もっといろんな相手を倒すところが見てみたいよ。今日の君は最高のチビリュウだね。
Chibiryu, little dragon. I forgot that they call Saurian dragon in Japanese.
私とママらは先に行くね。ほーら、落ち込まないの。美味しいもの食べに連れてってあげるから。ね。
Will we see Moalani after this? On the venue at least?
本当にハラハラドキドキのバ
Yeah, I lost 2 time. I using time travel engine
そうい
to
えば、リンネ
reset.
アの方
Oh, so see, as I said before,
見に行こうぜ。
the other fight happening technically at the same time. So who gonna face before? I don't
変わり
know.
ましたよ。どっちが勝ったと思います？
Of course, we're gonna face you in the final, so you win.
そんなに嬉しそうにしてるからには順調に勝ち進んだんだろ。ピンポーン。今から他の選手のバトルを観戦しようと思ってたんですが、一緒にど
No,
うで
makes
すか？
sense. We are in the quarterfinal, so we have 2 other match.
次のバトルは重要ですよ。クライノっていう選手と前回チャンピオンのヤフォダの対戦
I
です。
heard that name before, I think.
もち
Let's see,
ろんだ。
Yahoda, our next opponent.
応援しないとな。ちょうどよかったですね。それじゃあ一緒に次のバトルが始まるのを待ちましょう。
Yes, let's see how last year champion do this thing. Are we gonna see the lady again? Where's Yahoda? Oh, finally. Okay. Oh, Saleh. So your name is Saleh. Wait a minute. Are you a contestant?
まさかクライの選手の
Never mind. I never heard
就航の
Selaino before. I thought it was some NPC we've seen
と
before.
っても野生味が強い子たちなのに言うことを聞くなん
A
て信じられません。
Beastamare. Maybe. It's okay. So Selaino, huh? Interesting. I don't know if that's her real name or not, but
厳密に言えば就航のブレードライノは魔物に分類されるん
okay.
ですよ。
Class as monster.
野外に生
So
息
in
していて
Genshin,
個体
okay,
数も
monster
多い
and
から
animal are not the same thing. I mean, monster is a beast, I guess.
見るからに手強そうです。
Mhm. I think Yahoda. Okay, I don't know now. I didn't expect the one we've been seeing the lady we're gonna join the tournament. So I don't know if the semifinal gonna be with Yahoda or the lady now. Hmm.
知らないって幸せね。いずれ。
Yeah, what do you mean by this? Ignorant is a bliss. So I don't. Okay, so you're not related to Linnea then. Maybe. I mean, you definitely a Fae from Snezhnaya. Was it on your head? Again, I'm assuming Snezhnaya because of the head. At least the NPC so far have that kind of head, you know, because again, the influence, the Russian influence, the head. Exactly. She was watching Linnea last fight and there was something strangely hostile. Hostile? Really? I mean, I guess from traveler perspective, she didn't saw Selaino on the Speranza, the other side. But from the player perspective, we saw her expression in Speranza. Okay.
早ければ捕まらないとでも。
She is an NPC, right? Her design, why I feel like, are you? I mean, I don't think if there is a 3-star, you will be 3-star, but not NPC. Your design is very different from NPC, like unique face, unique hair, unless you just the thing that they're gonna add in Snezhnaya. So Snezhnaya will have different new model for NPC or something, and then this is the preview for that. I don't know. Let's see.
やれるもんならやってみ
I mean, look, the 4-star is more detailed in a sense. So if they are 3-star, Selena will be a 3-star character. If that exists, I don't know what I'm saying.
レッドミラー13世その
Red
展開
Miller
を翻弄して
13.
電光石火の勢いで右後ろよ
Oh, interesting. This thing that I mentioned before. Basically, I believe Selena have the same ability as. Okay, that's why she said ignorant is bliss. So, Linnea also able to predict a second before the attack come. I guess this is the same thing. So, are you related to Linnea then? I don't know. Redo! It's funny that Yoda call Red Miller name.
すごい強さですまるで
Yeah, just like you.
まるで
As if she knew what they're gonna do.
相手の動きを完全に読んでるみたい
Are?
左に避けてルミありがとうございます今日はいい感じに戦いましたルミだけじゃなくて私のコンディションも良かったです
Uh-huh. I wonder why. Is it the first time? I think this is the first time Linnea feared this as well, which is interesting.
どう言えばいいんでしょうか時々相手
No,
の動きが
sometime.
読めるような感覚があって何度も危機一
No, no,
髪
I
で
don't think
正しい判断が
I'm
できたん
mistaken.
です
I think when she met Lumi, I believe she said that she have this feeling. I think not, Traveler.
諦めるなレッドジャンプ
背中に飛び乗ろうとしているわよヘルメスそんなチ
Okay,
ャンス
the
を与
name
えてはダメ
in Japanese, Hermes. In English, Haemus. Look at her design. That's not NPC. What the? Huh. If this is Tesnaya, I don't know. We'll see.
風の刃で動きを制圧して
強いな仕方ない切り札
Well,
の必殺技
now
だ
that I think about it, I don't see any vision, so I don't know if she playable or not.
レッド雷を溜めて一気に放て
What? You can use lightning? Oh, interesting. And we see, okay, we see Macy and who, I don't know who the guy is. I mean, the kid here, the boy. But I don't see them in the actual. I don't remember.
押し返してヘルメス
Hermes. Au.
危なかったけど結末は変わらなかったようね
勝負ありレッドミラー13世敗北
Okay, we're gonna fight.
勝者はクライノと相棒ヘルメス
翼
Oh, 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 it's the same. Okay, I didn't expect. Wing. You're the same. So you are related to. Are you Linnea mother? That's my first assumption. Huh. Same wing. Exact. The similar. Faye. See, I don't see. Look at this from the background. I don't see the kid over there.
ちょっと待ってくださいあなたは何者ですかどうしてあなたの頭の上
Wait,
には
why are you suddenly down, Linnea?
私と同じようなものが
Are you being excessive here? Why are you lying down?
何度もこのシーンを想像したわ。あなたが私と同じ苦しみを分かち合う場面を。
Oh, I think I'm mistaken. Well, we'll see. So my first assumption is that she related to Ame. I mean to Linnea. But now that I think because of this X word, maybe she the same as Linnea, a Changling basically.
清々すると思っていたけど、そんなことなかった。
Never mind.
リンネア、あなたはこれまで通り、何も知らずに生きていた方がいい。
What? Okay, so maybe if this is someone related to Linnea, the reason why the Changling, the switch happened because the life as a Fae, as her kind, is not that wonderful or something. I remember Linnea say something like that when she is still a baby. There's someone who says something to her. I remember, yeah, when in Speranza, she said something like that. So I assume from this dialogue here, that's confirmed about what she said, what she heard when she was a baby, which I feel like how did Linnea able to remember that? Anyway. Oh, so your head actually hurt. That's why you're laying down. Interesting. I wonder why. Resonant?
どうしたんだ？リンネアが急に倒れちゃったぞ。とにかく横になれる場所を探さないと。急げ。何があったんだ？あたい、シカネを呼んでくる。
Okay, I just realized something. Do you always call Lauma dear sister? Shikane? Shikanoko noko. Anyway, why I'm saying, why I keep repeating that word? Shikanoko noko. Hey, wait.
呼吸は安定している。重篤な状態ではない。静かに休養させれば問題なかろう。
So what happened to her? Resonant?
それなら安心だな。ありがとな、ラウマ。
礼には及ばぬ。今後何か問題があれば、すぐに連絡してくるがよい。
頼んだぜ。リンネア、早く目を覚
Oh,
ま
where's
せよな。
Lumi? Lumi, are you here?
おはよ
Are we playing as Linnea?
う。ここ、どこだろう。
This is Frost Moon Library.
おかしいな。
No, 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 it's not. This is the room where the kids are back then, the one with that cure by Lauma.
外に出て確認してみよう。
Yeah, this is that room. Oh, we playing as Linnea, huh? Okay, we actually... Can I see her? I cannot. I cannot go down more than... Okay, so is this Linnea high? Let's see, depending on... Okay, we bigger, we taller than... We at least taller than the thing on the table. We as tall as... Oh, I can sit. Am I actually sitting? I guess. So Linnea model is technically behind me, I think. We have something like this before with Iluga. But the thing with Iluga is, when I go down, I can see Iluga face. Basically, I'm above Iluga. I don't know about Linnea here. Are we actually the same height as Linnea? I can see that we the same height as this book. We will see later how tall the book is. Let's go outside. Yes, I need point of reference to see are we above Linnea or in front of Linnea.
ここにいたんだ。すごく探したん
I
だ。
see, I know what's happening here. Linnea is invisible. Spirit walking or something.
ちょっと、どうしたの？そんなに緊張して。
Wait, what? Is this premonition? Why are you facing? Okay, so we're not gonna face Cole. Who we gonna face in semifinal? I don't know.
ご覧の通り、両名の参加者とその相棒
Wait
た
a
ちが
minute,
無
this
事
is
に
the
配置につ
future?
きました。一方はリンネアと相棒のルミ、もう一方はクライノとヘルメス。白熱の準決勝戦がいよいよ開幕です。
Yeah, you keep saying Yahoo. Where is Linnea though?
ちょっと待って。どうして急に準決勝が始まってるの？
This is future.
どうやってここに来たのかも
I don't see
覚えて
Traveler.
ないんだけど。わかった。まだ夢の中なんだ。
Maybe now that you say you're dreaming, maybe we are not dreaming.
頑張れ元ボス。
Okay, Miko, where are you?
仲間の応援が聞こえる。
Oh.
夢の中でも全力を
Okay,
尽
we're
くさ
gonna
なきゃ。
play as Linnea, I guess, in this Pokemon fight.
行くよルミ。私たちの実力を見せつけてあげよう。
I guess I just have to say something. The area. This is not how we. I mean, anyway, let's see. We're gonna fight. I think. Never mind. We just lost immediately.
素晴らしい対決でしたね。決勝戦進出はクライノとヘルメス。
I still believe we're gonna face Linnea in the final.
どういうこと？もう私の
Oh,
負けが決まっ
okay,
ちゃ
so
った
we
の？
skip. We don't. Even Linnea doesn't realize we fight before.
ってひどい夢な
This
の。
dream suck.
早く目を覚まさないと。そうだ。夢の中で思いっきり目を見開けば目が覚めるって聞いたことがある。
Really? How do you? I'm trying. Anyway.
目が覚めた。
It's not. Where are we? Okay, this is how we learn about Linnea, huh?
まだダメみたい。あれ？夢の中の私、日記を書いてるの？
Is dreamy writing a diary? Interesting. You don't know about this scene before? Okay, hello, where are we? Have we seen this area before? The background is too vague. I don't know. I don't know where are we. I don't know where we are. I never seen that building though. I cannot look around much. This is the only observable area I can just.
冒険者協会の報酬だけじゃ科学調査船を買うのは難しい。
Of
コロ
course.
ンから冒険者に転身するしかなさそう。
I thought adventuring require more money. I guess if you pick up here and there. I mean, I don't know how life in the past would be if you how people gain income beside working as more physical. I don't know. Actually, never mind. What am I saying?
科学調査船。夢の中の私も
Oh, they have
ちゃん
to.
と目標に向
Linnea
かって
say
頑張って
something
る
here.
ん
The
だ。
actual dream. I mean, the actual
調
Linnea
査船を買うには
and the
数え
dream
きれ
me.
ないほどのも
Why
の
you
が
call
必要だ
yourself
し、
dream me?
すごく長い時間がかか
I
るんだ
mean, I
ろう
guess
な。
because it's in a dream. That's it. Oh, never mind. Okay, more. Let's see the scene. Oh, what happened? Where is Lumi? Lumi Doko? Anyway.
初日、魔物に襲撃された。
Okay. Ah, Lumi. What are you? What are you doing? Never mind. Okay, so it is a different day. Where am I anyway?
5日目、ルミと一緒に逃げ回って、前よりもずっと早く走れるようになった。
Oh, Mora. Lumi? So you're so far away. What are you doing there?
20日目、商人に話を聞いてみた。船ってあんなにお金がかかるんだ。まあいいや。まずはたくさん食べて、悩むのはそれからにしよう。
Oh wow, you have a lot of another diary. Hello, Lumi?
72日目。誰も欲しがらない超特大の
Finder
宝
keeper.
箱を見つけた。
Do people anyway? I don't think this just in the past. In the present day, people don't really put money on the ground unless someone did. Oh, more money.
冒険1周
A
年
year?
だけど、まだまだお金が足りない。
But why you still in the same? I guess this is your base camp. How are you adventuring and then you end up in the same area every single? Maybe you come back every few months, depending. I mean, not really. The day 1, day 5, day 72 is when you come back, I guess. And now anniversary. I don't think so. That's the case. What the? How do you? Huh? What is this?
危うく騙されるところだった。
Okay.
中古船なんて
Second hand.
やっぱ
Yep.
り信用
Always
できないな。
never do the second hand thing.
用心して念入りにチェックしてよかったよ。やっぱり安物買いの銭失いっていうのは本当だね。
Yeah, usually it's true. But even the expensive one got scammed before. It's hard. Oh, are? Nani? What is that? So much diary now. I see Lumi and the part there as well.
ようやくあいつを倒せた。
Oh, what is this?
戦利品はきっといい値で売れるはず。
The color and the sign. Are we? Is this something to do with the? Are you? Is this endangered species? Are you just poaching endangered species? What am I saying? Anyway, just the end of the
ここで
diary.
終わってる。でもこれは
I don't see Lumi. Okay, everything clear now. Are you gonna leave this area then?
大型船舶の購入契約書。
Oh,
これ私のサインだ。
you did buy a
ま
ship.
さか
Interesting. Well, this is the dream, the possibility.
叶ったんだ。
I don't know if this is something we're gonna happen or not. I thought we're gonna learn about the linear past, but instead we'll learn about something in the future. Possibly. I don't know if this is actually what's gonna happen. Okay, so now the cruise ship design is wooden.
ゴ
Huh?
ールデンビーグル号。
Uh,
なんて素敵な夢なんだろう。
oh, we are in the ship, Golden Beagle.
私を遥か彼方へと運んでくれる。
Aruka
最高の気分だよ。
The water look a bit weird. Oh, maybe because of the window, I guess. Anyway, we have something. Oh, so that. Okay, I will look around first before going to the actual area. Are you alone just with Lumi? How do you? The ship require multiple people to operate, but especially the wooden. I mean, every ship, I guess, unless the modern one with automation. What is that? This design. So it is, I guess, Sumeru build ship. Then, yeah, the door, the design is very Sumeru-like. Okay, Golden Beetle. Wait, I can check. Still, twice upon a guess. After successfully carrying to a smash, you are not sure how the actually ahead of an attack. Okay, this is still the description of. Oh, where are we? Before we zoom in, after that, let's see. That's the map of. Okay, so that's Dorman Port. This is Dorman Port. This is Dragon Spine. This is the one with, you know, the zombie thing. The one with Alcor over there, Alcor. And that's, I guess, Leeway Harbor. Oh, I cannot go in. So yeah, that's no. This is not Dorman Port. This is the one, Windshire. Basically, the witch area, the floating island over here. Yeah. Anyway, what do we do? Check.
公開図を見てみようっと。
Oh,
次
we
の
are from
洞窟
Liyue,
は
huh? Okay.
幸運閣か。
Yes, Kuyun Stone
絵
Forest.
本で見たことある。伝説がたくさん残ってる場所だよね。幸運閣を抜けて
Dragon
ドラゴンス
Spine.
パインへ。
Yep.
雪山だ。
Windshire.
ずっと行きたかった場所。
Oh, that didn't say anything about the other one. Okay, see the museum cell. Oh, museum. Okay. That's jade.
これって潜水玉？新玉の谷でしか取れない
Yup.
はずだけど。
It can float.
綺
should- I
麗
think-
だな。
I don't know if this is the one or the other jade. The rare one.
この船、すでにいろんなところを回ってきたみたい。それもそっか。私だって船を買ったら、休む間もなく、あちこち調査しに行くだろうし。
I didn't expect Linnea to be to have a dream to become a sailor. Based on her design. I mean, she's not a sailor yet. I mean, she's still an advisor of Adventurer Guild. What the? Okay, so we have a crew. Kowalski analysis. Why am I talking about Madagascar? The name Kowalska. Okay, Kowalska. Private Rico. Are you there? Rika become Rika.
ずっと元気がないみたいだけど、船酔いしちゃったの？
Okay. Yeah, what?
お昼ご飯はドアの前に置いておくからね。食べたらゆっくり休んで。
Interesting.
はーい。
Exit the I'm actually gonna see. Okay, we teleport. No, we open the door. Oh, what the? This is not a ship.
うん。
Okay, teleport to a different
ど
scene.
こ？体中が痛い。それに疲労や眠気も感じる。
Is this her ability? I mean, obviously, I guess.
夢を
whole
見てるはずなのに、
Fate.
どうしてこんな感覚があるんだろう。まさか面積部とか？とりあえず外に出て見てみよう。
The rotation so slow. Oh, I don't. What? So what I mean. But we cannot check the mission. Can. Just. Okay, I see Linnea now. It's so slow to move the camera around. But moving is fast. I don't know why. Oh, okay. That's the same
この
thing we
潜
have.
水玉、さっき船の上で見たものだよね。どうしてこんなにバラバラに？
Are you stranded or something?
どうして洞窟の中に？
The ship goes. Yeah, I feel like
どう
we
してこんなこと
stranded.
に？
Where are we? Oh, okay. Where is Lumi, by the way? Oh, that's Lumi. I just talked about you. Wait, is Kowalski or Lumi?
ルミ、どうしてそんなに
I mean,
悲しんでる
Kowalska.
の？怖がらないで。大丈夫だよ。私はここにいるからね。
Where's Kowalska? Oh, we can talk again. Okay. Lumi? Kowalska,
私たちは
Sulo,
もう戻れないのか。もうダメだ。
Woti, kayak
何もかも終わりだ。
it's not the reference for Madagascar. Where are we? I mean, we know the ship got stranded. I mean, yeah, I guess it's not just it's
何が
destroyed.
起きたの？さっきまで船の上にいたはずなのに。
This is the future.
これって
The golden
ゴールデンビーグル号。
beagle. Oh, we play the. Well, what? It's
ど
burning.
うして？
Yeah, why?
夢だよね。落ち着いて。これは全部嘘。嘘だよ。
Premonition? Premonition? Is this the ability? Is it the only possible future or one of the possible future? I don't know. Anyway, we wake up now.
ゴールデンビーグル号が沈没してから
Oh,
長い月日が経った。
in the future again.
また日記。あの恐ろしい夢は
Okay, we're back to this
ま
area.
だ
Where
続
is
いてる
this?
の？
Is this your home? I guess. Uh-huh.
もう気にしてないって言いたいけど、やっぱり時々悲しくなって、胸に石がつっかえたような気分になる。
But I guess you all survive. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
庭を散歩でもしよう。
Ah, yes, you
そ
go
ろそ
outside.
ろ
I
お
wanna
姉
see
ち
the
ゃんが来
area.
るはずだから、
Sister?
待つのにちょうどいいや。
Wait a minute. Is Seloina, Sila, the other lady, the lady is a sister. Okay, that's my second guess. A relative. How they look
お姉
different.
ちゃんって誰のことだろう。一度にこんなにたくさん夢を見たせいで頭が
So
う
we
まく
from this
働かない
room.
よ。
Yeah, where are we? Can you see inside? That's the one where we. Uh-huh. Okay, so where are we? The background is unknown. This design very not cry. We walk really slow now. We're literally walking. The background didn't see tell much our location. What is this? Kofaki? Okay, we cannot go there. I cannot run, I cannot do anything, just walking slowly, okay. The door just, the window just change the color. Oh, okay. Kazi.
リンレア、
That the sound of the one we saw?
この声は。
Yes.
こっちよ。リンレア、手紙は届いた？
Letter.
悪い知らせでごめんなさい。一緒に北へ帰って、父さんと母さんに最後のお別れ
Oh,
を
the
しましょ
real
う。
mom and dad. Okay, so when she said the same feeling as her, I guess Selino also a changeling then. Maybe? Where is the Tundra anyway?
暗いのが私のお
Okay.
姉ちゃん？
That's what you said in English. I mean Japanese.
暗いのが
Kulaino.
私の
What's Selino?
お父さんとお母さん。最後の別れ？
So how long the Fae live then? Depending on different type of Fae, I guess.
生老病死は自然の摂理。
Oh, I see.
私たち
You
は
answer
一人
my
で少し長く
question.
生きてるだけで、いずれその日は来るの。
So for uh Linnea species, I guess. I don't know if Fae is one species, but we know that Flynn live a lot longer than them. So, yeah.
悲しくないと言えば
I mean, I
嘘にな
understand
る
now.
わ
Okay, no, this answered my question in the last video. I said, if Lina are Fae, then how they the same age growing up? I did something what I said with the whole thing with baby thing, the whole Speranza and Conch gang. Now we got answer here, because for this one, for this Fae, this type of Fae, the age not different than human. Interesting. That's why the changeling happen, because the age different is not that much compared to other Fae, I guess. So why the changeling do happening then? I want to know the reason.
でも
I mean, I guess we know the
もし
reason.
普通の人がこの知らせを聞いたらどんな気持ちになるのかしら、
Hmm.
少なくとも目は潤むのに涙はこぼれない。
So I
こんな
guess
苦々しい思いはしないのでしょうね。
the one who says something to Linnea when she's still a baby is not Celaeno, but the parent, maybe the mother. So I guess their life is not that good. That's why they do. If that's the case, then what happened to the other kid, to the real, to the human kid that got switched? Okay, I don't have a good feeling about that one.
だって私たちにはとっくにこの光景が見えていたんだもの。
Ah, so you all have the same. Okay, maybe because I see. So the parent also saw the future where they do the switching. That's why they decide to do that. If they live, then what the... Okay, this is interesting. If they're able to see the future, then what the point of living, right? Especially if they cannot change it. Unless you can change, then let's have a reason, at least.
覚えてる？あのバトルの最中、あなたは眠りの中でこれを見たのよ。あの時は
This is what we're
ただ
currently
の夢
doing.
だと思っただろう
Whoa,
けど。
Inception. Yes. This is the thing that... Okay, this is technically the dream as well, but with the dream, we're talking about the dream. Okay, anyway.
どういう意味？
Unless it's not the dream, it's actually the future. Oh no, is it the dream?
そんな、
The future, I mean,
まさか。
not the present day.
あなたの気持ちはよくわかるわ。過去から未来を見つめる視線と、終点に立って過去を振り返る視線。その二つが交わったとき、この旅路を夢のよう
But
に
we
感じ
still
てしまうのは
in the
無
dream,
理
I
ない
think.
もの。時は流れ、いつか私たちも老いてゆく。この一生を何一つ後悔することなく
Nah, is this
過
what
ご
she
せると
say
思う。
before to Linnea? Before Linnea pass out? She feeling this, I
ずっ
guess.
と昔、友達と夢について語り合ったことがありました。大きな大きな科学調査船を買って世界の神秘を探求する。そしていつか動けなくなったら見聞きしたものを全部博物誌にまとめる。私の人生はここに詰まってます。もしかしたら遠い未来で誰かがこの本を開いたとき、
Yeah, you need multiple copy
一
of
部の
that.
生物や
If you only have one,
地理環境の形成と
then
発展の
if
ペー
it's
ジが
gone, it's gone
空
forever.
白のままだと気づくかもし
Publish a
れませ
book
ん。
about you. Autobiography of Linnea, the adventurer.
その保管は君たちに任せます。
Okay.
私の命は終わりを迎えようとしていて、
Well, you still sound really
も
young.
う遠くへは行けないから。
So it's not that far ahead, at least for this dream. I mean, she's talking about the future. Whoa, what the? Walk toward the end of everything. What's going on? Black and white, where are we? Still the same description, twice upon a gaze. What does this mean? Hello, colorful deer. Huh. Am I Lauma or something? I don't think so. Why the deer? I mean animal, I guess you can see over here, another one. Apakah? No? What different animal? From different region? Interesting. The end of everything. Hello, Inazuma. Me. Of course. The last one I'm gonna see is Jack Frost. This is not Cry. Look at the structure. That's very not Cry structure. Where are we?
伝わってくる感覚は虚構のようで現実のようでもある。命の終わ
Sunset?
り
So fast.
死ぬってこ
What?
んな感じなんだ。硬直し
Really?
た体には
Black and white?
まだ少しだけ感覚が残ってるけど、意識は指一本さえ
Oh,
動か
this
せな
is
い。
representing her. I see.
体の内側から
If you even know when you end,
痛みはなく、
how this
た
fate,
だ全てが
I mean
尽
this
きた
type of
後に
fate, the Veter fate, the
虚
angel
無
fate,
だけが広がってい
I
く。
believe.
やっぱり
Still young?
これは夢じゃない。
No, it's a dream.
これは
Look at yourself. Linear, wake up. And then she wake up. Now she know the future up until the end. Why her ability showing up now? Because of her sister present, I
気を
guess.
失ってたからな。
That's why. Last time as well.
何か食
I
べる
think that's what happened last time. Her sister watched her. That's why she feels something weird. That's what happened in the beginning of the story. Yep. Lilia, you sigh because you've just experience your entire life.
なんで泣いてるんだ。
今はいつ私
いつって今は夜だぞ。準々決勝が終わってから1
This
日
is
経った
called
ところ
second
だ。
change. If I
オイ
see
ラ
one,
たちがクライノとヤフォダのバトルを見
unless
てた
you're
ら
unable to
突然お
change
前が飛び
the
出して
thing you
ク
saw.
ライノの腕を掴んでそのまま倒れちまったんだ。
Yeah.
覚えてないのか。
Second change. But again, from linear perspective, linear basically has been living her entire life. Now imagine she come back to this moment and then what the? From her perspective, she forgot about this moment because it's really been a while. If you think about it, imagine someone has been doing all of their life and then suddenly they go back to when they were young and realize what happening? What have I done in my life? Yeah, what happened?
いろんな光景が頭の中に流れ込んできたんです。これからの試合とかもっと先のこととか、人生の最後を迎えてこの世界に別れを告げなきゃいけない自分の姿まで、楽しかった瞬間も苦しかった時のこともすごくリアルで、どう表現すればいいのかわかりませんが、とにかくとても怖かったです。
Yes, exactly. Small ability during her match with Yahoda. Something to do with the dream. Yes, we should ask
そうだ
Silai
な。
no
クライノに触れた途端にお前は気を失ったんだ。あいつ妙なことを言ってたし、絶対何か知ってるはずだぜ。でも本当に探しに行くのか。もし接触したらまた。
前にスペランザで子供の頃の話をしましたよね。
Oh, more
でも実は
information?
言いづらくて話せなかったことがあるんです。子供の頃の私は今ほど明るくなくて勇敢でもありませんでした。人間の両親に本当のことを話す決心がつくまで
I
何
see.
日も
This is
眠れな
before
いことがあった
Speranza
んです。
thing.
それを打ち明けるとどうなるか本心ではよく分かってました。それでも
But
私は
okay, so she already have
こ
the
う言ってほ
ability.
しかったんです。
Just the trigger is not
リ
Selena.
ンネア、たとえ私たちの本当の子供じゃなくて
Oh,
も
you start to change it. But
愛
instead,
して
they're
るよ。
looking for their real kid or something.
そんなことはありえないって心の底では知ってたんですけどね。彼らには実の子供がいて、私にも生みの親がいる。いつまでも騙し続けることはできません。だから怖くてたまらなくても誰からも見
So
放
you
される
said
子
they
にな
give
るかも
you.
しれなく
So I
て
don't
も
know if it's been a while, so they didn't
勇気を振り絞って
see each other.
二人に打ち明けたんです。
Did they found the
それ
kid
が
and did they talk with you again?
正しいことだと思ったから。たとえいい結果につながらなくても私は自分の選択を信じます。
Interesting because remember, Selena said that in the
会いに行きます。
future. No, well, when we saw Selena in the future, she said that. Remember what you told me back then that you saw what happened at the end. So we're basically doing the same thing as what we told in the anyway.
リンネア、
Let's see.
とは言ってみたものの彼女はどこにいるんでしょう。
Okay, the fact that she
次
doesn't
の
know
試合まで待
her
たなきゃい
dream
けないんで
doesn't
しょうか。
really show everything. It only shows specific scene, maybe. But I believe she also experienced something that we didn't see. I think some of it.
アグアラ、お前
Okay,
暗いのがどこにいるか知ってるのか。
interesting. I still doesn't know how did Aguara end up in Nordcry. I don't know
もし
if
かして彼女の匂いを覚えてるの？
really.
すごい。ありがとうアグアラ。よし、覚悟はできました。思い立ったら即行動です。早速出発しましょう。
And that will be on another day. Tread the right path. Well, bye-bye, Aguara. I'm not following you. So yeah, that's all for this video. Interesting. So, does that mean her whole race able to have this ability? Then they're just following the same thing like their dream does. Then I wonder if we're gonna doing the opposite in our conclusion for linear story, that instead of doing what the dream said, we're doing the something different, which means Linnea won't buy the ship. She will be stick to become advisor. We will see. Until next time, bye.